Hello guys, welcome back. So I have a problem over here. I have the details with name, the role, and the company details all together put in one column. So but then I want this text to reflect under name, role, and company into different columns. So how do I do this? Very easy. So first of all, I should make sure that I select this details here from A2 to all the way to A9, and then click on data over here, and then go to text column. Okay, so I have got two options here, but then I by default it is chosen as delimited. Characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Yes, I do have commas in between. I want it to be separated that way. So click on next, and then by default it says comma. Yes, I do have commas in between. Very nice. So click on next. So I have the details here like this. Destination place is A2, but then I want it to be in A16, right? So I can type it manually to A16 and then click finish and then click OK. Also, I can go to this option delimited, comma, and also what I can do is I can choose this also, right? So I can just click here. So instead of typing manually, right? So I just click on finish and then click OK. You get the same details. Job done. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.